Yo, YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching this video because you want to know how to get Delta Executor in 2025. This is the Roblox Executor. I'm going to show you how to do it, guys, and it is super simple to get, and you can do this on your mobile phone working on iOS and Android, and it is easy and completely legit. Works in just a matter of minutes, and you can exploit and get all of the mods for Roblox. So let's get into the tutorial. You can see I'm using an iOS iPhone. Doesn't matter which phone you have, and you've got to go to this website, guys, on your phone, www.wavyplugin.com. So Wavy plugin, guys, make sure you spell it correctly. You can pause the video if you need to and copy this address. Now, this is a modded app store that has tons of different things for some of your favorite games. And you can even see the Delta Executor there working on iOS and Android. So all you need to do, guys, is search for it. I'm going to type it in here, Delta, and it's going to pop up here, guys, Delta Executor. Click on that and then click on this. And it's basically going to do some complicated stuff. It takes a few seconds to do this. You can see you're going to get this application on your phone that you can use. Okay, and now you're going to see this page here, guys, that says complete 2 of the tasks below. This is basically going to install your plugin and get you the Delta Executor app on your phone. So it says here, complete 2 of the tasks below. And follow the instructions. This basically verifies you're not a robot. So you can see here, guys, I've got a bunch of different tasks here. I need to complete a couple of them. And these can be things like mobile games. So for example, this Travel Town one, if you wanted to do that one, it would be downloading the game and then completing level 9. So you would click on it and it would take you to the App Store where you would download Travel Town and complete level 9. Alternatively, there can be surveys like this one here that says get a gift card. So you would basically click on that and you would answer the questions and fill in any information such as your email address, and it'll basically verify you're a real person. So once you've completed 2 of them, guys, that is going to get you the Delta Executor on your phone. And it is simple as that. So all you need to do is go to Wavy plugin and find the Delta Executor, and that is going to get you it. And it's going to allow you to completely dominate Roblox. So hope you found this video useful. If you did, smash the like button, guys. Leave a comment below if you need any help, and also let me know if this was useful to you. But yeah, that's going to get you the Delta Executor on your phone. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.